Imagine this for a moment. You're pulling off a quiet country road just as the sun starts dipping behind the hills. The sky turns a soft orange, the air cools down, and all you hear is the gentle ticking of the engine as you park for the night. You open the sliding door, step into your cozy little home on wheels, and everything inside feels warm, calm, and perfectly organized. Now imagine that home is compact, easy to handle, simple to drive, and yet filled with smart ideas that make life on the road feel effortless. That's exactly what the Carado 1447 Clever Edition is all about, a motorhome designed to surprise you with how much practicality and comfort can fit into a smaller footprint. Today, we're going on a full tour of this clever little machine. We'll walk around the exterior, step inside the living space, explore the kitchen, bathroom, sleeping area, storage, and all the smart touches that make this model stand out. So buckle up, let's take a closer look at the surprisingly intelligent design of the Carado 1447 Clever Edition. At first glance, the exterior has a straightforward, modern look. Nothing too flashy, nothing overly complicated, and that's part of the charm. Carado is known for keeping designs clean and functional, and the 1447 Clever Edition continues the tradition beautifully. You get a compact body that feels nimble on the road, perfect for drivers who want a motorhome that doesn't feel overwhelming. The front is clean and aerodynamic, with soft curves and a slightly raised nose that gives it a confident stance. Down the side, the black-framed windows blend nicely with the bodywork, creating a sleek and balanced look. The sliding door feels solid with a satisfying click every time it closes. And then there are the small but important details: a wide electric entry step, outdoor lighting, and service points placed in simple, easy-to-reach locations. The rear design is tall, squared, and clearly built to maximize cargo space. The whole exterior tells you exactly what this motorhome is meant to be: practical, efficient, and ready for adventure. Step inside, and this is where the Clever Edition name starts to feel real. The first thing you notice is how open it feels for a compact floor plan. The layout uses light colors, warm fabrics, and gentle lighting to create a cozy, home-like atmosphere. The seating area features a swivel driver and passenger seat that connect with a compact dinette. The table is sturdy and adjustable, perfect for meals, work, or just relaxing. The cushions have the right firmness, the seating angles feel natural, and the space doesn't feel cramped, even with two people sitting and moving around. Overhead cabinets line the upper walls with deep storage and soft closed doors. Everything feels clean, practical, and comfortable. Move slightly to the back, and you reach one of the smartest parts of the motorhome: the kitchen. Carado really maximizes the space here. You get a 2-burner stove with a glass cover, a deep stainless steel sink, a countertop extension for more working space, and a mid-size fridge placed at a comfortable height. The drawers feel solid, sliding smoothly on heavy-duty rails. The lighting is warm but bright enough to cook easily. It's not a huge kitchen, but it's one of the most usable ones you'll find in a compact motorhome. You can genuinely prepare full meals here without running out of space. Now let's move to the back, the sleeping area. This is where the Clever Edition surprises many people. The rear double bed is comfortable, well-sized, and surrounded by useful storage. The mattress feels supportive, and there's enough breathing room above your head to avoid feeling boxed in. But the real magic happens underneath. The space under the bed is huge for a motorhome of this size. You can store folding bikes, camping chairs, luggage, outdoor gear, boxes, tools, basically anything you travel with. And because of the large rear doors, loading and unloading is incredibly easy. Overhead cabinets continue along both sides of the sleeping area, giving you even more room for clothes, accessories, and personal items. Next to that, you'll find the bathroom, compact but surprisingly functional. Inside, you get a small sink, a combined shower setup, practical shelving, and a rotating cassette toilet. Everything is designed to be simple, clean, and easy to use. The waterproof materials make cleaning quick, and the ventilation keeps the space fresh. It's not meant to be luxurious, but it absolutely gets the job done, especially for long trips. Throughout the interior, you start to notice little touches that make everyday life easier. Hooks placed exactly where you need them, USB ports near the bed and seating area, warm LED lights, deep overhead cabinets with strong hinges, adjustable shelves, and durable flooring that's easy to sweep. All these details add up to a motorhome that feels genuinely well thought out. Up front, the driving cabin keeps things simple and comfortable. The seats are supportive, the driving position is natural, and visibility is excellent. This is a motorhome that feels easy to control, even if you're new to driving a vehicle of this size. It handles more like a tall van than a full RV, which makes road trips, city driving, and parking much less stressful. Compared to other compact motorhomes, the Carado 1447 Clever Edition stands out because of its simplicity, its space efficiency, and its storage solutions. Many compact models feel like weekend-only vehicles, but this one feels ready for longer journeys. The layout is practical, the living space is comfortable, and the overall build feels solid and trustworthy. And for first-time buyers, that combination of comfort and ease of use is hard to beat. Now I'm curious, what's your favorite part of the Carado 1447 Clever Edition? Is it the kitchen, the sleeping area, the storage, or the smart overall layout? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The Carado 1447 Clever Edition may not be the biggest motorhome on the road, but it doesn't need to be. It's built for people who want freedom, simplicity, and the joy of exploring new places in something that's easy to live with every single day. If you're dreaming of long roads, quiet weekends, sunsets by the water, and the comfort of your own cozy space wherever you go, this motorhome truly delivers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this full tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment about which motorhome you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep exploring.